the tail lamp signature an M shape. An M stands for magnite. Find miniature hexagons. And moving on to the wheels, you'll find a new design on the diamond cut 16-inch alloy wheels. New color, which we call sunrise copper orange. Now, why do we say bold inside out? Because we have given the new magnite a huge upgrade in the interior. And now you have soft material on the instrument panel wrapped with contrasting stitching.
I can guarantee that the interior space is the best in class for the front passenger room, shoulder room, and the rear knee room. And the next one, we call it as 360-degree leatherette. The next one, we connect every feature with the technology. This is called module seat heat insulation technology. The next one is a 4-color ambient lighting. The other features, what we try to make as an elevated cabin experience, we have the 10-liter capacity of cooled glove box, where you can put comfortably 2 1-liter cans. The second one is the openable armrest with the different angles of opening and closing. And third one is the 60-40 split seat. With that one, you can able to get 366 liters of boot space. Again, I can say this is the best in class. With the 40 split, we can get the 540 liters, and with the full split, we can get close to 900 cabin space. The next one, innovative intuitive tech, we try to improve the graphics, which we are having the advanced driver display system, which is 7-inch system. The other innovative intuitive technologies, which is inside this car, just to mention it quickly, which is Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. This is another cool feature. Now we have the new iKey. We designed the new key form for the new magnite with the new iKey, with which you can able to start the engine remotely with a 60 meters radius. And then also, we have the approach unlock, and walk away lock. That feature also there. The other safety feature, auto headlamps, which will automatically headlamp will be on. The other one is that auto dim inside rear view mirror. It is a frameless, bezel-less, it's a one. I don't want to repeat everything. So Nissan DNA is that dare to do what others don't do. What we did here, you could see here, the key message is that we made 6 airbags, standard in all variants. Just I would like to remind about the engine and transmission with the current magnite. It is a state-of-the-art technology, 1-liter turbo engine, which uses the mirror bore technology for the cylinder liner, which is the technology we are using in the same GTR, which is the highest performance variant of Nissan. And then the forged crankshaft, and third one, electrically actuators for the turbos. With that one, what we get is that 99 horsepower power as an output with 160 Newton meters as a torque. And without compromising on the fuel efficiency of 20 kilometers per liter on the manual transmission and 17.5 kilometers per liter on the CVT.